Start. This appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated December 4, 1987, passed by the Assistant Sessions Judge Kalna in Sessions Trial number 13 of 1987. Start Sessions Case number 108 of 1987 close, thereby convicted both the appellants accused under Section 306 and 498A of the Indian Penal Code and sentencing them to rigorous imprisonment for 8 years 6 months and also to a fine of rupees 2000 each in default to rigorous imprisonment for 6 months more. The appellant number 1 Smear is the son of the appellant number 2 Shrimati Savitri Bala . He married Shantana some time back. While she was in her matrimonial home, Shantana sustained severe burn injury on November 3, 1985 at about 2:30 p.m. inside the kitchen, the door of which was found closed from inside at that time and had therefore to be broken open by PW1 Dilip Pal, who is a tenant of that house, in a bid to rescue her. The fire was extinguished with effort by Dilip, and the injured Shantana was rushed to Kalna Hospital, where she expired at about 7 p.m. In that every evening. It is the prosecution case that both the accused subjected the deceased to cruelty and also to harassment, our outstanding demand of dowry, as a result of which she committed suicide by setting fire to her body. Charge was accordingly framed against both the appellants accused under sections 306 and 498A of the Indian Penal Code, and the learned Assistant Sessions Judge convicted both appellants under both heads of the charge and sentenced them as stated above. PW1 Dilip Pal is a tenant under the appellants and resides in the same premises. The tenanted portion under his occupation is situated by the side of the kitchen of the appellant's. On the date of the occurrence, his wife reported to him about some groaning sound coming from the kitchen of the appellant's, and he also smelt that something was burning in that kitchen. After coming out of his room, he however found that the appellant Smear was strolling on the veranda, and on being asked by him, Smear pointed at the kitchen as it was bolted from inside. Dilip had to break open the door of the kitchen, and he found that entire body of the wife of Smear was ablaze. He then brought some beddings, as he says, and wrapped the body of the victim and extinguished the fire. Accordingly to the evidence of Dilip, the victim was yet alive but unconscious.